So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to duplicate audio here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, if I were to press on audio right here, press on record, I'll just record, for example, if I wanted to say bang, I don't know, bang, just like that. And you wanted to duplicate this a bunch of times, bang. It's very simple. Press on the audio right here, slide this bar to the right to where it says duplicate. So press on that. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and duplicate it a couple times. So if I were to go ahead and play this right now, bang, bang, bang. The audio is now duplicated however many times you're looking to do that. So very simple, super straightforward. That is how to duplicate audio here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.